So I guess no one having any problem. So I'm
No
going
problem.
forward. So in last class, we discussed about how complementary angles work. Like if there is angle multiple of 90, then we have to convert with rule with this rule, like sine to cos, tan to cot, cosec to sec, and vice versa. Now we will learn a concept that will do for all angles, that is more than 90 degrees. So starting from the top left corner, we call as first quadrant, and going to anti-clockwise, this is second, third, and this is fourth. Few rules we have to remember. In first quadrant, all trigonometric ratios will be positive. I mean, there are six ratios, right? Sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot, all will be positive if angle is in first quadrant. First quadrant means between 0 to 90. So in the second quadrant, sine and its reciprocal cosec will be positive. So I am writing the positive ones. Negative ones will be automatically come out. Okay. So in second quadrant, sine and cosec will be positive. So for 90-degree angles more than 90-degree and less than 180-degree, sine and cosec will be positive. For the third quadrant, only tan and its reciprocal cot will be positive. That means angle more than 180-degree but less than 270, tan and cot will be positive. For angle more than 270 but less than 360, okay, 0 and 360 coincides here. That is the same line. So more, in the fourth quadrant, cos and its reciprocal sec will be positive. Okay, you got. Uh, there is one phrase we can remember with: add sugar to coffee. That means this is for first quadrant. First quadrant if for all. This is for second quadrant. Second quadrant for sine and cosec. T. This is for third quadrant, and this is for tan and cot. And last quadrant, cos and sec. This way we can remember easily. Okay. So this was the rule, and now let's learn how we can follow this rule. I mean, how this rule will be applied. So let's say example, sine of 90 plus theta. What will be its value in terms of theta? I mean, we have to simplify this expression. So there are two rules we have to focus. First rule, I said that this must be a multiple of 90. More to say, odd multiple of 90. Okay, odd multiples of 90. Then we have to change this ratio. So it will sine will be converted to what? Sine will be converted to cos. Second rule, we have to see in which quadrant this angle is going on. That means if we try to plot, this is 90 plus theta, means theta is some angle we don't know, but sure it is more than 90. So this is 0, this is 90 here, and this is 180 here. So in which quadrant this angle lies?
Second quadrant.
So this is
It
lies
will be
in
second, third,
quadrant.
fourth, anything, right? Because we don't know what's theta.
Why? Right. Because we don't know what's theta. But if there is a restriction like theta is,
నాకు సీట్ కావాలి చేసుకోవడానికి
Hey, mute your
Then
mic. Whoever is
సీట్
talking
కావాలి
anywhere
అది
else,
ఇక్కడ
please.
పెట్టేది
Hemant, please mute your mic.
no, I think they exited. Okay. So if this theta is acute angle, then this quadrant will be second quadrant. So in second quadrant, what do we know? That sine remains positive or negative?
Positive.
Positive. Like I said here, in second quadrant only sine and cosec will be positive. Okay, many students some confused like that. Okay, this is cos, we have to check cos. No, don't check this, we have to check the question part. Okay, not the result part. So we have to check sine. So sine in the second quadrant is positive, so it will be cos of theta. Okay,
So both plus 90, both for 90 plus theta and 90 plus minus theta, it will change to sine to cos.
sure, if there is 90 it will change sine to cos. Multiple of odd multiple of 90
Means it is plus or minus does not matters, right? Like plus theta
Does
or
not
minus
matter.
theta.
Yeah, let's say more examples. Say I want to find tan 135 degree. Okay, what we can do it, we can write like 90 plus 45 degree. What will be this? So this is 90, means odd multiple of 90. So this must have to be changed. So there is 90, that means the ratio have to be changed. So tan will be converted to cot as per the rule, and this angle going into 90 plus 45 means in second quadrant. In second quadrant we know only sine and cosec remains positive. That means this will be negative with the same angle. Got it?
Yes.
Yes, bro.
Oh, okay. There are many rules they have given to remember us, but I don't think it is necessary to remember these rules, because if you know those rules, I mean two rules, like if they have 90 or multiple of 90 or not, and what is the quadrant, then all will be clear, right? This
And need to
does not
remember
have
that
to be
add
done.
sugar to coffee.
Yeah, right. Just have some sweetness in your coffee, then formulas will be learned.
Then it will be a good night.
Yeah. Good night. I mean, for us programmers, we will have good night for programming. Sleepless programming.
Yes, coffee helps in sleeping late.
Yeah. So, okay, let's give some examples for 180. How this formula also work for 180. Sine 180 plus theta. Okay. First, we have to see this is odd multiple of 90. I mean, 90 multiplied by 1 or 90 multiplied by 3 or 90 multiplied by 4? This is or not? Anyone? I mean, is it clear, right? 180 is 90 multiplied by 2. So sure, it will be not odd multiple. It will be even multiple of 90.
Oh, odd even
So
if
in
there
this
is also
case-
there is some difference there also.
Yeah, means if you say 90, then almost everything will be converted to sine cos then, because 90, 180, 270, everything's come. But we have to see only odd multiples, like 2x's, this one and this one. This one is 0, this one is 90, this is 180, 270. So
Okay.
this is first multiple, this is second, this is third, this is fourth. So only see odd multiples. I mean this one.
Oh, right. Because 180 simply means no. Actually, I did not understood. Why we need to check even and
Okay.
odd? Can you please explain?
0, 90, 180, 270. So this is first multiple, this is second, this is third, and this is fourth. So first and third, only for these it will change to complementary ratios.
Meaning?
For this it will not change. Okay, so this will be ignored.
Okay. Okay. Now I
180
got
or
it.
360.
So only for odd multiples of
Okay.
90, it will change to complementary angles, and for
Right.
even multiples of 90, it will be the same value. Just we have to put the
Same
plus minus
value.
sign according to the quadrant.
Quadrant. Right.
Okay.
So it is 180. That means it is not odd multiple. So that means the sign will be remain sign. Okay, this is done. Then see quadrant. In which quadrant it is going? This is 0, 90, 180, 270. So 180 plus theta. That means
Okay.
theta
I have
is,
one question though here.
hmm,
Sine, like, see, sine 180 degree minus theta. Okay. Now the answer is given is minus sine theta, but in this case, sine, the first is also in the second quadrant, and if let's say theta is an acute angle, in that case it's in the second quadrant only. So why we have sine in negative here?
which point here?
Like I'll tell you which one. To express the trigonometrical ratios of 180 degree minus theta in terms of those of theta.
Oh yeah.
Above that.
This one, right?
Yes, this one.
So sine 180 minus theta is also minus sine theta. Great. Sine 180 plus theta is also minus sine theta.
No, not
How
that.
is it possible?
What I'm asking is, let's say sine 180 degree minus theta is there, and theta is an acute angle, right? So basically the angle that we are talking about, it falls in the second quadrant only. So why is it minus sine theta? The answer?
Oh, why it is minus sine theta?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm checking. No, I think this is wrong. This will be plus sine theta. This will be plus sine theta. Printing mistake.
Should we Google it once?
Yeah, you can Google.
Yeah,
I'm
because
100% sure.
if it is because there were a lot of printing mistakes and also answer mistakes in today's Q&A.
Yeah, means
if you
right.
Yeah, so maybe it can be printing mistake. 180 degree minus theta. We found very big mistakes also.
Yeah, is one. I think Genome asked me a question. That was a question was wrong. There was printing mistake.
Yes, bro.
Have you Googled?
Yeah, I am actually checking on Google, and yeah, it is positive. You are right.
Yeah,
It is
because
going to be,
I'm 100%
the answer is
sure.
going to be positive. Like it's going to be plus sine theta.
Right.
I think, okay, I know what
Okay,
the rule
so
is.
this is wrong.
No, I think I know what the rule is applying here. maybe they are
What?
the final result depends on what quadrant it is falling in, and then that minus minus cancel out itself if it's falling in the right quadrant. Maybe I don't
No,
know.
no, 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 no.
Okay,
Means answer will be plus sine theta only. Okay.
plus sine theta only, right?
And this
Yeah, I'm
follows the
seeing
rule.
the answer is plus
Yeah.
sine theta only here also, on YouTube, on everywhere. Everyone, please make this change.
Okay.
If you are taking notes, or if you are using the PDF to read, that sine 180 degree minus theta is not negative, it's going to be positive. Whoever has joined here, please take note for that, because otherwise our answers will be incorrect if we don't do it right. So all of
Yeah,
them
I
will be
said
positive, right?
already. Means
No, not all of them.
all of them.
No, no,
No,
no.
no.
Yeah.
Means I'm.
Yes, yes,
If,
yes.
if you want to check, just go through this rule, and this will.
Yes,
You will automatically
sine
get the
and
answer.
cosec will be positive, and the rest will be negative, right?
Right.
And yeah,
right.
they have written cosec correctly, just sine is incorrect.
Yeah.
Okay.
So as sine 180 plus theta. So 180 plus theta, that means this is going into third quadrant. So for third quadrant, we know only T and C, tan and cot. Tan and cot will be positive, the rest will be negative. So sine, it is sine, so it will be negative sine theta. Got it? So I think this one is clear, right? Everyone can find out.
Yes, because
So
tan is
I'm giving,
positive in
Yes, bro.
third quadrant.
so let's practice. I'm giving some questions. Uh,
Okay, one more error is there. Can you please rewind to that page? There is one more error that I'm seeing. And I think that's
Where?
also a printing mistake. Can you come back to the page for 1 second, please? Yeah. Okay, here, if you see sine 360 degree minus theta. Okay, no, that is correct. I think. Sorry. Yeah, please go ahead.
Okay. So my question was this: minus sine 300 degree. What will be its value? Can anyone find?
Yeah,
You can
it
Google
will be
also if you want to.
it will be
Not if
360
you don't
minus.
want to learn.
Will it be 360 minus 60? I think it will be minus 60 degree.
There are many methods. Means you can do anything.
Yeah.
Like there is not
Yeah, we
only
can
one
also
method.
do 270 plus 30. That is all. That can also be
Right.
done. Yeah.
Right.
So it's
So
going to be sine minus sine 60 degree, and I think sine 60 degree is it's 1 by. Yeah, I don't remember the value for that, so I will just Google. Okay. Because, but no, I will practice the questions. Don't worry.
Minus root 3 by 2.
Root 3 by 2. Okay,
minus
now
root 3 by
there
2.
is one genius. So the answer is minus root 3 by 2.
Okay.
And just solve it. So if
So
someone
let's
did
see.
not understood, they can know also.
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
So sine 300 we can write two ways, like sine 270 plus 30 degree, and then sine 360 minus 60 degrees. So in this way, here it is, we can see this is odd multiple of 90. So this will be changed sine to cos, and 270 plus 30. That means this lies in the after third line. That means in the fourth quadrant. So in fourth quadrant, cos remains positive, but this is sine. So it will be negative 30. So minus cos 30, that means
Minus root 3 by 2.
root 3 by 2. Correct. And this one is the same, but you see there is 360. 360, that means 90 times 4. That means, got it? It will not change. It will remain same. And again, this comes in third quadrant. So in third quadrant, this will be negative. Okay. Anyone problem?
Oh, bro.
Okay, I think this can be solved now. I don't need to solve this here. Okay. One thing, for larger angles, I will suggest first divide by 360,
90.
then break down a smaller, and then by 180, then by 90. This will make a easier task. Like I'm doing cos 1770. So 360, 1770. What will be remainder here? 720, 15. 4 times, I think. 4 times. And 1540. 77470 minus 2. 4 times 360 plus 230. Okay. So this will go as cos 4 times 360 plus 230. Correct. So this 4 times 360 just like a repetition for revolution. We can ignore that. So we can write that cos 230 only, because after every rotation it will come to this angle. So now cos 30, cos 230. So we can write this cos 180 and plus 50 degree. I've done any wrong. Yeah, I have done any calculation.
180 plus 50, and it will be minus
it will be
cos
330.
50. Huh? Oh, acha, okay, the difference. Right. So it will be 270 now.
So it will be 270 plus 60, or you can write cos 360 minus 30. Both way you will find the answer. Okay. So if I go this way, so 360 minus 30, that means it will not change. And 360 minus 30, that means from there you are going into 30 degree. That means in the fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, what? It remains cos positive. So cos 30 degree. So cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Okay. Similar these questions. I think this is not too much tough. Separately, this we can find out different values of tan 120, cot 240, cot 210, 240, right? And then in last, just put the value.
Probably pani. Oh, sorry.
So this one.
Okay, bro.
Tan 3 5 by 4, 4 Hello.
Yeah, you are
Everyone
audible.
can listen me?
Doing, bro.
4, 5, pi by 4 and sin square 4 pi by 3 whole divided by sin 553 and cot. Oh, again, this meeting will end 7 pi by 4. This meeting will end in 10 minutes. I got the message.
After it ends
So,
in 10 minutes, just click on the link to rejoin it, everyone. Okay.
so everyone,
Yes, bro.
what we have to do in this type of sum, I have already told. If anyone have remembered, first thing what you have to do,
Replace pi by 180. Then we can convert.
yeah, first with blind eye, replace every pi with 180. 3 180 by 4 cot 5 180 by 4 sin square 4 into 180 by 3 sin 180 into 5 by 3 to cot 7 into 180 by 4. Now, okay, I think this was done very simpler here also. Just put the values and got everyone's answers. Since we don't have to write every time all the term. I think this one is easy. So separate, solve each term individually, like tan 3 pi by 4 means like tan 3 pi by 4 is equal to tan 3 into 180 by 4. That means tan 135 degree. And then we can do with by 2 is 90 plus 45 or 180 minus 45. So tan 180 minus 45 if we do, this is 180 means even multiple, not change, it will be remain tan 180 minus 45. Less than 180 means in the second quadrant. Second quadrant means only sine and cosec will be positive, tan will be negative. In this way, solve every term. And just put the value. Okay. Up to here, anyone have doubt?
I forgot little
Related
bit of
to
this one, that this multiple part, like odd even one.
odd even one.
I mean the odd even
That
part
means
here,
which
that
one?
tan 135 there.
Okay. I'm just just recapping it. Like first, we have to see multiple of 90 is odd or not. If it
Yes.
is odd, then change the ratio. Change the ratio. Ratio means sine to cos,
Cos.
cosec to sec, as per.
Right,
Okay.
right.
If even, don't change.
Okay, yes.
So this one is clear. And next, according the quadrant, put the sign. Done. This was only thing. First, see the angle, if it is multiple of 90 or not. If it is not multiple of 90, then means it is multiple of either 180 or 360. Then it will not change. So put the same ratio and just check the sign according to the quadrant. Okay, so this one is also same. I mean, you can see all the sums are getting repeated, right? The same structure, like first put the value of pi 180, then solve it for its value, and in every sum these two rule will be used. So got the value of every individual and just put into this equation. The difference is only that here it is a variable x and we have to solve for x.
Can you check the answer of the previous question which you gave? Root 3 by 4.
Which one?
Uh,
Number 3. I did not solve. I actually just told how to solve.
okay.
I solved just one term and told, I think so that will consume time. So that's why.
No problem. Answer is minus root 3 by 2 in the PDF.
Okay. Yeah, minus.
Okay.
Hey, who is this? Turn off your mic.
So I think this is done. Let's see find some better example. Yeah, this one looks good. Means we should solve it. So this one says
Before this, there was another
10,
question which a different
180
format.
degree.
Can you check that?
No, that was not in the different format. It was
You know
just
which one?
equation with a simple variable x.
Like no, not like there was
This one.
like the value of trigonometric ratios was given there. So I will tell you which one. Yeah, this one.
Okay. Oh, just no.
The fifth
Which
question.
one?
Yes,
Fifth
where your
question.
pointer is. No. The what you have circled, they're there only.
Find x. Oh, this one. Fourth.
Fifth.
Fifth. Find x given that.
Yeah, x given that. There they have given some equation like below. The given equation is.
No, that is not any different thing. You see there 5 pi by 3, 4 pi by 4. In the same strategy, we solve every term just by putting the value of pi and solving as per the rule.
Okay, so
we got all the values.
It is the answer. Okay, I understand that is the answer.
This is the answer. And just put in the question.
Okay, all right.
Just put in the equation and we'll find for x. Okay. So this one says tan 180 plus a multiplied sec 180 plus a cosec 90 plus a and whole divided by sec minus a cot 90 plus a. Okay. So first 180 plus a, that means in the third quadrant 10 remains positive, and also it will not change because it is 180, even multiple of 90. So that's why it will not change. So 10, and in the third quadrant 10. Okay. So what I said that this will not change, so this will remain as 10a and multiplied take 180 plus a. So first of all 180, that means it will not change, it will remain same, but it is in third quadrant, and in third only 10 could remain positive, so this will be negative. Cosec 90 plus a, 90 multiple, that means it will change, cosec will change to sine. No.
Increase your audio, please. Hello.
Now it will see.
Uma, I think
Hello.
your phone is far from you. Your voice is coming very slowly.
Okay.
Increase your audio, please.
Now
Yeah.
okay. So cosec, I think this will have to repeat. Sec 180 plus a, that means 180, that means it will not change because it is even multiple. So I write sec, and this is in the third quadrant. In third quadrant only tan and cot remains positive, so this will be changed to a negative sign. Next cosec 90, so this is multiple of 90, and that's why it will change, and cosec will change to, I think,
Sine.
cos. What was the rule?
Plus sign, right?
No. Sine changed to cos.
Oh, okay.
Sec
Sorry.
changed to
Sec.
cosec.
It will sec.
Sine,
Change to sec.
plus sine.
Sec. It will be sec, and this is in the second quadrant, and in second quadrant sine and cosec remains positive, so that why it will remain positive, sec a. Sec minus a. So one rule I in last class I discussed, I am just recalling it. Except cos and sec, everyone impacted by minus, but these two are very strong. This engulfs the minus sign, means minus does not impact on this. So that means sec minus a is just like sec a. Cot 90 plus a. So 90 multiple, that means it will change cot to tan. In the second quadrant, that means negative sign. Okay, now this 10 cancels, sec cancels, minus cancels, sec a answer.
I have a
Okay,
question.
any doubt?
One question. Okay.
Yeah.
The sec sec a in the denominator. Now that was sec minus a, so it became sec a. Okay. So in that condition, why here on the numerator it's minus sec a? Why did not it become sec a?
I'm explaining. Sec 180 plus a, this is different thing. Sec minus a, this is different thing.
Okay.
Why? Because this goes into which quadrant? Third quadrant, right? And in third quadrant, what is positive? Only tan and cot.
Cot.
So sec will be negative then. So minus sec a. But sec minus a, it will be positive sec a. Why I am telling you again? If you start angle from here and okay, this is positive side, right? But if you go this side, negative side, right?
Oh, I
So
understand.
this is minus angle a. And this is which quadrant?
Fourth quadrant.
Fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant what? Cos and
Sec
sec
positive.
remains positive. So that's
Right.
why it's positive.
Okay.
Okay, so this one is done, and yeah, this needs to be done. 7 number LHS RHS. This is a good question. Okay, LHS is what? Sine 90 plus theta cos 180 minus theta and cot it will be 270 plus theta. Is it correct?
Yes, bro.
So I just replaced with pi with 180. Then sine 90 plus theta. 90 multiple, that means 90 odd multiple, that means it will change to cos. 90 plus theta goes into second quadrant. Second quadrant, sine and cosec positive. So this will be positive. Cos 180 minus theta. 180, that means not change. 180 minus theta, that means it will go into second quadrant. Second quadrant, cos is not allowed. That means it will be negative sign. Cot 270 plus theta. Cot 270. 270 means okay. First 90 multiplied by 3.
Fourth
That
quadrant.
means it will be change. So cot will change to 10, and it is fourth quadrant, and fourth quadrant cot is not allowed. So that's why it will be negative. So it is cos square tan theta. Minus minus cancel out. Okay. Now comes to RHS. Sine 90 minus theta sine 3 pi by 2, that means 270 minus theta cot 90 plus theta. So this will be sine 90 minus theta is cos theta, sine 270 minus theta, that means 90 times 3 change, that means sine to cos, and this is in 270 minus theta. Here is 270 and minus, that means in the third tan is allowed, so sine will be negative. And cot 90 plus theta cot 90, that means it will change, and plus theta, that means it will be in the second quadrant, and second quadrant tan cot not allowed, it will be minus. So it will be minus plus, and cos square theta tan theta. So it is proved. Anyone have doubt?
No, bro.
Okay. So let's go to the next part. Cos theta is equal to minus 3 by 4, 3 by 5, and theta is between pi by 2 to pi. That means in the from 90 to 180. That means in the second quadrant. Okay. So this becomes into second quadrant. Find the value of this. Okay. Let's see. Cos theta is equal to minus 3 by 5. So we need to know also sine, sec, tan, and cosec. But how? Sine theta. Is there any formula for sine theta?
We can convert by Pythagoras theorem
No need
or
Pythagoras.
from formula also.
But one thing not to be here that it can be plus and minus. So we will put both sign, but according to this condition, we will change later on.
Okay.
So it will be my plus minus 1 minus 9 by 25 from 3 by 5 whole square, and this will be plus minus root over 25 minus 9, that is 16 by 25, and this will be plus minus 4 by 5. Okay, now let's see. Our theta is in second quadrant. As theta in second quadrant, that means what will be sine theta? Plus 4 by 5, yeah, or minus 4 by 5. Anyone?
Plus.
Plus. Good, because we already know in second quadrant sine and cosec have VIP pass, so they can go freely. So sine theta is equal to 4 by 5. This comes out, and now sec, tan, and cosec. Similar way we have to find sec. Sec theta is equal to 1 by cos. That means it will be minus 5 by 3. We don't need even to think, because it is coming only one value, that is minus 5 by 3. And by the rule it is also correct, because in the second quadrant this should be minus. So sine done, sec done, tan.
By the way, I want
Tan
to
is
ask
what?
why 5 is a positive and not negative,
Which one?
like in the hypotenuse 5, that 5 is also in like in that it is projecting in negative direction, but why it is?
Oh, that one.
Yeah.
No, means this is we know as just length. So length should be always in positive. So as you know, this is length. So main, it actually does not by length we actually does not calculate anything.
Okay.
Just 1 minute.
But in that case, this minus 3 is also in length, right?
Sorry. So what you were saying?
I was saying that if length is like it's positive, so -3 is also length, right? On the triangle.
Yeah, it's length, but this actually represents two dimensions. Like
Yes.
I think we don't need to follow this diagram also, Means- but still, okay.
I think just following the rules
Let's
will do
go
it. I
any
think
logic.
maybe.
Because this is -3, okay. This is negative because it will going to the negative side, and this is positive because it is going to upward side. And what
Mhm.
is the hypotenuse should be? Root
It should
over
be both plus and
dividing
minus,
square.
I think.
No, from in Pythagoras there is no rule of plus and minus. It is always
Ah.
plus.
Okay.
Okay. But if you calculate any other functions, in that function there may be possibility of coming plus or minus.
Right.
But
Okay.
as you can see, this is also coming plus 4 by 5, but we are sorry, minus 4 by 5, but we are not taking it because minus 4 by 5 means what? This will point to the this direction in the third quadrant. So we are not taking this value. We are only taking this value. Okay. So we found sine, cos. Okay, we have to find tan. Tan means sine by cos. Sine means -3 by 5. Cos is sine is -3. Sorry, sine is 4 by 5, and cos is -3 by 5. So it will become -4 by 3. And then last cosec, reciprocal of reciprocal of sine. That means it will be 1 by 4 by 5, means 5 by 4. Now it will be solved out. So our main answer will be 5 into sine theta, means 5 into 4 by 5, plus 3 into sec theta. Sec theta is -5 by 3, and 3 into tan theta, and tan theta is -4 by 3, and plus 4 into cosec theta, and cosec theta is 5 by 4.
Answer is 1 by 9.
It may be, I did not solve it. -9, and here 3 -4, and -5. It is coming 1. I'm doing wrong anything.
In the numerator, it is
Let's
5 plus 4. Numerator.
5 -5 plus, oh sorry, it will be -1, so it is -1 by 9. Sorry, 1 by -9, that means 1 by 9. Okay.
Yes, bro.
Okay. Oh, okay, so this need to be explained or it will be solved just
We
like similar
solved.
previous one, right?
Yes, bro. Can do in
Here is
homework.
sec theta. Yeah, this is not a school. It's like we are giving homework. Compound angles. Okay, now comes to compound angles. This is formula and formula, only formula. Nothing to prove, nothing to.
It would be a nice thing if people solve some maths at home and then they can upload their solved questions on Telegram channel or our WhatsApp group.
Yeah, they can try.
Yes.
I actually don't get time. Actually means even in this time I'm getting calls. Okay, so sine A plus B equal to sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. So this is the formula for sine A plus B. If you want to for minus, just replace this minus sign, this plus and minus. And for cos, okay, how to remember? If it is sine, then it will come into pairs like sine cos, but exchanging the angles. Sine A cos B, cos A cosine B, right? If it is sine, then it comes into pairs, but exchanging the angles. But it is cos. If it is cos, then it will come as a I think in cos A cos B minus sine A sine B. Like similars one will be same side. Cos A cos B minus sine A sine B. But one thing, many one can mistakes here. This is plus, but still here it is minus. But if it is minus cos A minus B, then it will be plus. That is the difference. Okay, for the tan one, tan A plus B, it will be tan A plus tan B. I mean sum of individual angles all divided by 1 minus tan A tan B. See the signs properly. If it is plus, plus is at top. If it is minus, then minus at top. Then it will plus at bottom. Okay.
Yes.
I think this is enough. And let's see what next. Yeah, this is enough. Like we have to find value of sine 75 degree. So we have to think like which value we know already. I mean, in the standard angles we have remember that I think 30, 45, and 90 and 60. These are standard angles. So between these angles, we try to filter it out. How it will possible? I think if I do 75, okay, I can cheat here also. 45 plus 30. 45 plus 30. You see, 45 plus 30, that means 75 degree. So that way, it will, we know these individual angles, so we can solve it. So sine, so as sine A plus B, as I said, it will come into pairs like sine 45 cos 30 and sine 30 cos 45, and just put the value. Sine 45 is 1 by root 2, cos 30 is root 3 by 2, plus sine 30 is 1 by 2, cos 45 is 1 by root 2. So 2 root 2 root 3 plus 1. This is the value. Similar way we can find 75 tan 75. Okay. 15 degree. How to solve 15 degree? 45 minus 30. We know value of 45 degree. We know value of 30 degree. So that way, if you do sine 45 minus 30, we can solve it. Sine 30 and cos 45. Okay, you got that. I think this will be the same with negative sign. because it is obvious. If it is 15 degree and the second one is for 75 degree, in between 45 degree, 30, 30. So here it will be less one, that means my negative one, and here it will be more one, that means positive one. Okay, that's not very tough, but still, do you have any doubt like how to solve and apply these formulas?
No, bro.
Okay, so we can move on to the next topic. Oh, again comes formula. So sine 45 cos sine 15 cos 15. This is all previous. Okay, this one is formula for cot. I don't think you have to remember it. You already know of tan, right? For tan A plus B, we know what? Tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. So for cot A plus B, what we can do? Just cot A cot B. That means this plus term will be at the bottom side, and this denominator will be at the numerator, but with the reverse sign. That means like cot A cot B minus 1, similar. And if you exchange the sign like cot A minus B, then it will be plus here, and in the lower side it will be minus here. Oh, this is the proof. If you want, you can see. If you didn't you can't get, I will then explain. I think this is easy one. Okay, so this one is sine A equals 5 by 13, cos B equals minus 4 by 5, and A between pi by 2 to pi, and B between pi to 3 pi by 2. Let's write it down. What is actually 90 to 180, and this is 180 to 3 pi by 2, that means 270. So A lies in second quadrant and B lies in third quadrant. So we have to find sine A plus B. Sine A plus B. I think this one is easy. Like sine A, sine B, sine A cos B, and plus sine B cos A. For sine A, we have 5 by 13 already. For cos B, minus 4 by 5, plus sine B. Oh, we don't have sine B. We have to find sine B and cos A. So sine A is 5 by 13. So what will be cos A? Or more 10 minutes. I think this will be last sum. Sine A is 5 by 13. So cos A will be root over 1 minus 5 by 13 whole square. But again with plus minus, later we will decide positive or negative. So this will be come out as 1 minus 25 by 169.
12 by
and it
13.
will be 12 by 13, right? So cos A is plus minus 12 by 13, but we will take which one?
Minus.
Minus. And why minus?
Because it's between which one?
Second one.
Second one,
quadrant.
yes. Between pi by 2 and
Second
pi.
quadrant.
Yes.
So it will be minus cos A is equal to minus 12 by 30. Second quadrant. Similarly, we can solve for sin B. Sin B is root over 1 plus minus minus 4 by 5 whole square, and then it will be 3 by 5 plus minus 3 by 5. Okay, calculation, if you don't get, I will explain. Okay, just we have to tell I don't get it.
Here also sin minus.
Okay, cos B, but B is in third, so sin B means sin B, so it will be
Minus.
equal to minus 3 by 5, right? So as third quadrant. Now we can put sin B, that is minus 3 by 5, cos A, that is minus 12 by 30. So it will be 65 minus 20 and plus 36 minus 16 by 65. I'm wrong. Yeah, right. Okay, similar way we can find everything, like cos A plus B, sin A minus B, cos A minus B. So okay, I'm not starting any sum because it will over in few minutes. So if anyone have doubt, any questions, then ask. Scared of what? I mean, I got scared, lol.
I wrote it when David switched on his mic. Na?
Oh, I switched off then my mic then.
No, not you, David.
Oh, David.
When somebody's noise was coming behind, na? Or your voice was very low at that time, David opened his mic. At that time, I got scared like hell.
Okay, so anyone have any doubt, any questions regarding previous sums or upcoming anything, or so we can discuss it, because I think trigonometry will end in few days, right? It should end. Is there any end? Yeah, this is end. Maybe 1 or 2 chapter more. Okay. So 1 or 2 chapter more, and then it will be end. Any problem, any doubt, like previous questions?
No doubt, bro.
The population is becoming, I mean, low. That's a really good thing.
No, it's actually good. It's okay.
Yeah.
But I think there might be reason like maybe some people are busy or something. That is also possible. Maybe they are because a lot of people who used to join, they ask for the links. So maybe they are not able to find the time. That is also possible. But it's okay. They can watch the recordings in that case.
I did not even got time to join. What was today?
Yeah, it was
For
Q&A
that-
session. But the
Q&A.
thing is, we decided not to upload the Q&A session. But yeah, I think we can upload it on Telegram. Not on YouTube, but Telegram will be fine.
Yeah, it's fine.
Right. Okay. Okay, so we should end today's session with this.
Yeah.
Thank you, Uma, for your time today. And if anyone has any questions, you can ask. Anyone has any feedbacks, you can add that as well.
Yeah, I mean, say if I need any improvement somewhere,
No, you are doing
my
fine
voice is-
actually. You are doing amazing in explaining things. So nobody has
because,
anything to say. In that case, then we will just end the session now then. Okay.
Yes, bro. Thanks a lot, Uma. You
Yeah.
taught very well.
And need to practice.
yeah, I mean, so first, yeah, that thing is really means yeah, necessary, because without practice, math is
Next morning we will forget
I mean,
everything. And Rajan is asking
because
for YouTube channel link.
I-
So YouTube channel link is in the group. You just have to go to in the group description where the announcement is made, and you will be able to see the YouTube channel.
like I have taken more, I think this is third class, like, but still, if you go and check yourself the first or maybe second class questions, then obviously you will not able to get
Yeah,
if
we'll not able to
your
do
I
that.
mean, basics will not,
That's right.
because that's really without practice it's not, you cannot do anything.
Yes.
Yes, bro.
And we have to find a way to like cheat somehow, because that otherwise everyone could not solve it.
It's okay. We will
Okay, I
just
think
what we will do is we will
Hmm.
just try to do our best.
Evil Uma.
No, it's okay. Sometimes it's okay to cheat. It's not a problem.
Yeah.
If you have the best of intentions, it's okay.
right,
Okay.
it's our basic fundamental right.
Oh, I.
Okay. For example, like we remember shortcuts, like to remember things. That is also one kind of cheating. It makes
Hmm.
us remember less, and it makes it easier for us to do it. So it's okay. Okay. So
And how
Uma,
every study is going on,
Yeah.
everyone.
yeah, please end the session from your place because you are the host.
Okay.
All right.
So